Work from home using AI. What if I told you that right now, ordinary people are using artificial intelligence to create content, generate leads, build online businesses, and create income streams from the comfort of their homes? And the best part? Many of them are not programmers. They're not tech experts. They're not AI engineers. They're simply learning how to use the tools that are now available to everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to work from home using AI, the opportunities that exist right now, and the step-by-step strategies beginners are using to get started. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, an online business, a second income stream, or simply a smarter way to work, this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I regularly share AI business ideas, affiliate marketing strategies, online income opportunities, and work-from-home tutorials. And if you find value in this video, smash that like button because it helps more people discover these strategies. Also, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend, click the link in the pinned comment below. I've put together resources that can help you get started much faster. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is that AI is not a business. AI is a tool. The people making money aren't making money because they have access to AI. They're making money because they're using AI to solve problems. Businesses pay for solutions. Customers pay for solutions. Companies pay for solutions. The more problems you can solve, the more opportunities become available. This is why learning how to work from home using AI can be so powerful. Let's talk about opportunity number 1, AI affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorite business models for beginners because you don't need to create your own products. You don't need inventory. You don't need customer support. You don't need a warehouse. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products and services and earn commissions whenever someone purchases through your referral link. Now here's where AI comes in. AI can help generate content ideas. AI can help create video scripts. AI can help write articles. AI can help with keyword research. AI can help with email marketing. AI can help improve productivity. Instead of spending hours doing everything manually, AI can dramatically speed up the process. Imagine creating educational videos around software tools, business resources, AI platforms, productivity products, or online services. You help people solve problems. You recommend solutions. You earn commissions. That's the foundation of affiliate marketing. And it's one of the most popular ways people work from home using AI. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to resources that can help you start affiliate marketing faster, click the link in the pinned comment below. Many beginners waste months trying to figure everything out themselves. Those resources can help shorten the learning curve. Let's move on to opportunity number 2, AI faceless YouTube channels. This has exploded in popularity. Many people assume YouTube requires expensive cameras, professional lighting, and years of experience. The reality is very different. Today, AI can help with topic research, script writing, voiceovers, content organization, video planning, workflow management, and much more. Many creators are building channels around business, finance, technology, AI, history, motivation, and educational topics. The secret is providing value. People don't care whether you're on camera. They care whether the content helps them. That's an important lesson. Value beats vanity. When you consistently create useful content, audiences grow. And when audiences grow, monetization opportunities follow. Advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, lead generation. The opportunities can be significant. Now let's discuss opportunity number 3, AI content creation services. Businesses need content, lots of content. They need blog posts, email newsletters, video scripts, social media content, product descriptions, website copy, marketing materials, and educational content. Many small businesses don't have the time or expertise to create all of this themselves. That's where opportunity exists. By combining AI tools with basic marketing skills, you can help businesses create content more efficiently. The goal is not replacing human creativity. The goal is increasing productivity. Businesses care about results. If you can help produce content faster while maintaining quality, you're providing value. And value creates opportunity. Now, if you're getting value from this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share AI business ideas, affiliate marketing tutorials, online income methods, and work-from-home strategies that beginners can actually use. Let's talk about opportunity number 4, AI freelancing. Freelancing remains one of the fastest ways to start generating income online because you don't need a huge audience. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need to wait for search rankings. You can simply offer services that solve problems. AI can help with writing, research, content creation, administrative support, lead generation, customer communication, marketing assistance, and productivity tasks. Many businesses simply want outcomes. They don't care how the work gets completed. If you can deliver value, opportunities exist. Now let's move on to opportunity number 5, AI lead generation. This is one of the most overlooked opportunities online. Every business needs customers. Every business needs leads. Every business needs appointments. Without leads, businesses struggle. AI can help identify prospects, organize information, research industries, create outreach messages, and improve efficiency. Many people build businesses simply by helping local companies generate more opportunities. Think about dentists, roofers, contractors, insurance agents, real estate professionals, law firms, home service companies. These businesses constantly need leads. If you can help solve that problem, you become valuable. Now let's discuss opportunity number 6, AI digital products. One of the most scalable business models available. Digital products can include templates, guides, checklists, ebooks, prompt collections, educational resources, training materials, worksheets, and many other formats. AI can help accelerate research, organization, and content development. The beauty of digital products is that they can often be sold repeatedly. Create once, sell many times. That's what makes them attractive. Of course, the key is creating something useful. People pay for solutions. Always remember that. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to recommended tools and resources for building online income streams using AI, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help you avoid common mistakes and move faster. Let's talk about opportunity number 7, AI consulting. Many businesses know they should be using AI, but they don't know where to start. They don't know which tools to use. They don't know how to integrate AI into their workflows. They don't know what's possible. As you learn more about AI, opportunities may arise to help businesses understand and implement solutions. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You simply need to know more than the person you're helping. And right now, many business owners are actively looking for guidance. Let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make: tool hopping. Every week there's a new AI tool, a new platform, a new trend, a new headline. Many people spend all their time chasing tools. Successful people focus on implementation. They choose a strategy. They learn the necessary tools. Then they take action. Execution beats information overload every single time. Another major mistake is trying to do everything. Affiliate marketing, YouTube, freelancing, digital products, consulting, lead generation, blogging, social media. Trying to master everything at once usually leads to frustration. Instead, choose one model, focus, develop skills, build momentum, then expand. Now let's discuss realistic expectations. Can you work from home using AI? Absolutely. Can beginners succeed? Yes. Can AI help increase productivity? Without question. Can AI create business opportunities? Definitely. But AI is not magic. It won't automatically create income. It won't automatically build a business. It won't automatically create success. Success still comes from action, learning, consistency, persistence, and solving problems. Think of AI as a power tool. A power tool can help build a house, but someone still needs the blueprint. Someone still needs the vision. Someone still needs to do the work. That's where you come in. Now let's discuss a simple action plan. Step 1. Choose one business model. Affiliate marketing, freelancing, YouTube, lead generation, digital products. Pick one. Step 2. Learn the fundamentals. Don't obsess over every AI tool. Focus on the core strategy. Step 3. Use AI to improve efficiency, not to avoid work. Step 4. Create value consistently. Step 5. Stay focused long enough to see results. Most people quit too early. That's why they never succeed. The people who win are often the people who simply keep going. Now, before we wrap up, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend for building income streams and working from home using AI, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can save you time, help you avoid beginner mistakes, and accelerate your progress. And don't forget to subscribe because I publish new videos on AI business opportunities, affiliate marketing strategies, online income methods, traffic generation, and work from home ideas on a regular basis. Also, hit the like button if you found value in this video. Let's quickly recap. AI is a tool. Use it to solve problems. Affiliate marketing, faceless YouTube channels, content creation services, freelancing, lead generation, digital products, consulting. These are all opportunities that can be enhanced with AI. Choose one, take action, stay consistent, and keep learning. That's how real progress happens. Thank you for watching. This has been Work from Home using AI. Be sure to subscribe, check out the link in the pinned comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.